Join me as I dive deep into CGC stock and try to figure out if it's really ready to explode. Cannabis stocks have been making waves in the market for a while now, and Canopy Growth Corporation, or CGC, is one of the biggest players in the game. With a strong brand presence and a significant market share, CGC has been on the radar of many investors looking to get in on the cannabis craze. But is it really ready to explode? Competition in the cannabis industry is fierce, with new players entering the market every day. CGC faces stiff competition from companies like Tilray and Aurora Cannabis, which have also been gaining traction. Regulatory issues are another major concern, with the cannabis industry still largely unregulated in many areas. This lack of clarity can make it tough for investors to know what they're getting into. And then there's the financial performance. CGC has had its share of ups and downs, with some quarters showing significant losses. The Canadian cannabis company's sales have been sluggish, partly due to the slow rollout of retail stores in key markets. To make matters worse, CGC has been struggling with high operating costs, which have eaten into its profit margins. And let's not forget about the impact of COVID-19 on the global economy. It's been a challenge for many companies, including CGC. Despite these challenges, there are still reasons to be optimistic about CGC's future. Industry trends are definitely in CGC's favor, with the global cannabis market expected to grow significantly in the coming years. Investor sentiment is also shifting, with more and more investors looking to get in on the cannabis action. Recent news has also been positive, with CGC announcing some significant partnerships and investments. These developments could be just what CGC needs to turn things around. Recent deals with companies like Constellation Brands have given CGC a much-needed boost. The company's also been expanding its presence in the U.S. market, which could be a major growth driver. CGC's been investing heavily in its infrastructure, which should help it scale up operations and increase efficiency. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are still risks involved with investing in CGC stock. The biggest risk is probably the regulatory environment, which can change quickly and impact CGC's operations. Market competition is another concern, with new players entering the market all the time. Then there's the company's financial performance, which has been a bit of a roller coaster ride. Despite these risks, there are some significant insights that suggest CGC stock could be poised for a breakout. CGC's been making some significant strides in terms of innovation, with a focus on premium products and experiences. The company's also been expanding its online presence, which could help it reach more customers. And let's not forget about the potential for international expansion. CGC's already got a foothold in some major markets. All these factors combined could be just what CGC needs to explode. In summary, CGC stock faces some significant challenges, but there are also reasons to be optimistic about its future. The cannabis industry is growing rapidly, and CGC is well positioned to take advantage. Whether it's ready to explode is anyone's guess, but one thing's for sure, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. So what do you think? Is CGC stock ready to explode? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more financial insights and stock analysis, be sure to check out my other videos.